Welcome, dreamers and explorers, to a story whispered by the ocean currents. Imagine a world deep beneath the waves, a world painted in hues of sapphire, teal, and amethyst. Here, sunlight dances down from the surface, not as harsh rays, but as gentle, shimmering curtains, illuminating a secret hidden for centuries. Time has dressed it in the ocean's finest attire. Vibrant corals bloom like flowers on its walls, pearlescent seashells dot its roof like scattered jewels, and long, graceful ribbons of seaweed sway like banners in a gentle breeze. But this isn't a place of decay. It's a place reborn, a monument to memory, cradled by the sea. Our story begins with a visitor, a gentle giant of the deep. Meet Kai, a whale whose heart is as vast as the ocean he calls home. His eyes, wise and ancient, hold a galaxy of curiosity. He's not a fearsome beast, but a soulful guardian, drawn to this place by a melody only he can hear. With a slow, majestic sweep of his giant tail, he glides closer, his immense shadow a soft blanket over the ruins. Kai peeks through a large arching window where a classroom is frozen in time. Desks, now encrusted with star-shaped corals, are arranged in neat rows. Tiny, colorful fish, like living confetti, dart in and out of them, playing a silent game of hide-and-seek. It's as if they are the new students in this forgotten academy. Kai lets out a low humming song, a gentle greeting that sends soft vibrations through the water, making the nearby sea anemones wave in reply. He swims past a chalkboard, still holding the faint chalky whispers of lessons long past. Now, it serves as a canvas for tiny, determined crabs who scuttle across its surface, leaving intricate patterns in the algae. Above, jellyfish drift like living lanterns, their soft, pulsating glow casting a magical, ethereal light on the scene. They are the chandeliers of this underwater ballroom, illuminating the silent dance of the deep. Kai drifts over the schoolyard, a sandy clearing where the remnants of a swing set are now a perch for sea turtles. They watch him with serene, knowing eyes, as if they've been waiting for him. Books with waterlogged pages float weightlessly, their stories released into the water, becoming part of the ocean's grand library. Every bubble that rises from the sand is like a thought, a memory, ascending towards the light. This isn't a place of sadness or loss. It is a place of wonder, a testament to the fact that even when things are forgotten by the world above, they can find new life, new purpose, and new beauty in the world below. It's a heartwarming sanctuary where nature has become the teacher, and all its creatures are willing students. Kai, the gentle whale, isn't just an explorer. He's a witness to this magic, a keeper of this beautiful secret. The ocean holds so many enchanting stories, and this is just one of them. But what forgotten wonders do you think are waiting to be discovered in the depths? Thank you for joining us on this magical journey. If you loved this story, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to explore more hidden worlds with us. Until next time, keep dreaming.